School activities such as writing, drawing, making researches and reports are some of the activities wherein we use a large amount of paper. It is a rewarding performance after doing those activities, hence, it can produce waste especially during its implementation part. We can produce an error-free output all the time, which results to the accumulation of paper waste. As a practice in my grade 2 class of San Pascual Elementary School, the used paper of my learners were not thrown in the trash bins. Rather, they were stored up to be used as an important raw material in their paper machè performance output in Arts 2. This output is a requirement in the lesson objective of MELC, or the most essential learning competencies in Arts Grade 2. The learners chose the molder which is available in their home. After days of executing the steps in making, a new output from paper waste is created. The paper waste were recycled and turned into a magnificent thing. This may be used as a pencil holder, vase, chalk, and eraser holder. Another output from paper waste is the paper charcoal. The collected papers from the other grade levels were made into a cooking material called as paper charcoal. It is used as an alternative to charcoal or wood as a medium used in cooking. The learners and teachers use this paper charcoal in cooking as part of their culminating activities in science, TLE subjects, and others. Most of the time, we think waste must be disposed because it is a waste. But, in the other hand, a waste is useful in its most usable way. Through reuse, reduce, or recycle, a waste will transform into a new material called output.